have a contract with DMV.
Okay. So what are you going to do?
I'm asking what the court is asking of me today.
Pay the fine.
It looks like it's in order to show that you're going to go on the record state license 1413426. Okay, well, and I'm wondering whether or not you choose to, let me just say, whether or not you choose to contract with the MVD. The fact of the matter is that the state legislature requires that in order for you to be legally able to drive in the state of Arizona, you have to have a valid driver's license. If you fail to have a valid driver's license, then you are not, then you have failed to comply with the laws of the state of Arizona. So, with that said, it's up to you whether or not you choose to contract with the state or not. But understand that if you do not have a valid license and you're driving in the state of Arizona and you're stopped, then you will be started driving on a suspended license because you do not have the privilege to drive through the state of Arizona. And the state of Arizona does have the right to promulgate its its laws.
Yeah, and your
That's why
reason-
it has a legislature, so that they can do
I understand that, but
that branch of the government has the right to do that.
I understand that, but it's my alienable right to travel as I please as a free breathing woman on the land, being governed by the Most High, not by man.
Okay, so on this fine and free, how do you propose to take care of this?
First off, I would like to start off by saying that I reserve all my rights and remedy under the Uniform Commercial Code, and I would like to ask you, have you taken your oath of office? And if so,
I bind you to that.
I would like to bind you to that.
Whatever that means.
I would like to accept it. I would like to accept your oath of office that you took, if you took one.
Honor, value,
Whatever that means.
consideration.
In order for me to sit on this bench, I have to have taken an oath of office, but notwithstanding
Great.
that, how do you propose to take care
For
of this matter?
honor, value, and consideration. I would like to discharge that
Through your remedy.
through my
yes,
remedy.
The uniform.
But it's not up to you to determine what the remedy is, since you are not the legislative body of the state of Arizona. So it is not within your, it is
But
not
the
within
remedy is
your
there for you.
authority in this court to fashion a remedy. It is, the remedy in this court is fashioned by the legislature of the state of Arizona.
So I don't
they say
restore my
that-
own remedies and rights?
They say, the legislature has determined that under 28.347(3)(c), as of the day that you have this citation, that if you fail to have a valid license, then you, and you're driving, and you're car driving, then there is a penalty. And that penalty was
Not even a law to have a license.
Pay that penalty. Then there are other remedies that the court has.
Ma'am, there's no,
One of them is that you will be incarcerated.
ma'am,
So that's
Ask her for the statute that requires a driver's license.
ma'am, could you tell me the statute that requires a driver's license? The law that states that I have to have one?
No, privilege to drive, you have to have
No.
But is there a law that states that I have to have a driver's license?
Provide the law.
Can you provide the law that states
Or
that I have to?
statute that states that.
You know what you can do? You can review the Arizona revised statute.
Okay, so we're here for payment, right?
Section 28.
Section 28.
You know, Article 28. Okay, ma'am, but you know what? How do you propose to take care of this matter?
Through my, remedy. Through remedy. By reserving all my rights and remedies and
UCC
restoring them to the
1-3.
Uniform Commercial Code.
UCC 1-3.
Nancy,
Whatever that means.
UCC 3-501.
This is a criminal court, this is not a commercial court.
let's do it.
All crimes are commercial under the UFR 27 section 7211.
Whatever that is.
That's another law.
But anyway, ma'am, how do you propose to take care of this matter?
Are you asking for payment?
That's right.
Oh,
How do you want me to
how do you expect for me to pay it?
lawfully pay?
To lawfully pay it?
That's not my problem, how you choose or choose not to pay it.
Okay. Well, it basically states, basically I'm here saying that, are you asking me to break the law?
There
You
is
know
no
what,
money.
I'll tell you what. Since we can't resolve this matter,
No, here's where I'm at, because this is where I am at with the payment. I have no problem with, I'm here to address the matter. I'm here respectfully. I have not disrespected the court. My attempts have been to respect the court, to respect you. And but here's where I'm at with the form of payment that you're asking for, okay? So basically, the law states that no one today can make any demand on payments in any coin or currency.
There is no.
And that's Public Law, Chapter 48, 48 statute, exchange, trade, acceptance, in all accord with the public law and the Uniform Commercial Code. There's no way that I can lawfully pay this debt. All I can do is discharge it. And I have that code for that, for the public policy also, to discharge debt under the Uniform Commercial Codes, which I signed the original ticket and reserved my rights on it.
Now, but understand, but you violated Arizona revised statute.
I understand that, but at the same time,
Commercial code, you violated the laws of the state of Arizona.
So does this cart not operate under Uniform Commercial Code?
okay, but at the same time,
It's not.
aren't I subject to the rights of my remedy?
That's fine.
And aren't I subject to my rights?
Whatever.
There is no money.
Do you want to, an attorney down there, you gonna talk to that attorney?
No.
As I stated earlier, I don't need anybody to represent me when I'm standing here. That's all an attorney is, to represent.
Okay, well, ma'am, we're at a stalemate, so I mean, there's nothing more I can do, since it appears that you.
There is no
do not
lawful money.
agree with the,
It's not that I don't agree with it. What I'm saying is that there is no lawful money.
How can you
That the
lawfully
law,
pay
how
the
can I
debt?
lawfully pay a debt? When the Security Act of 1933 says there's no way that I could ever lawfully pay a debt in the United States.
We're operating under bankruptcy.
That we're operating under bankruptcy.
That's right.
whatever. Okay, so.
So it's just whatever.
Ma'am,
So it's just whatever.
Ma'am, you need
Ask her
to
to
be
stay for
quiet
the
in my
record.
court, or you can get up and leave my courtroom right now. Okay.
Were you addressing me, ma'am?
No, you sitting next to Ms. Whitten, you can get up and leave my court because you have no authority to represent her in this court.
She's not
And I hear
representing
everything
me.
you said. Okay. You can get up and leave. Okay, now, I am telling you, if you do not, if you don't have to pay this, that's fine, you're free to go. I don't care. Okay.
You're not gonna be putting any warrants out for me, are you?
Oh, let me tell you, I'm gonna hold you responsible just like I hold every other individual responsible.
That's not fair. You can't do that.
You can't tell me what I can and cannot do.
I understand that, but there's,
You can't tell me what I can and cannot do. I tell you what, I'm acting under the laws of the state of Arizona. I don't know what you're acting under, but I tell you what, if you choose not to comply with this court's order, it is within my authority to determine whether or not your failure to comply with the order. And that is the decision I will make. And you can't tell me I cannot make it.
can I please state my case because you're asking for a payment and I would like to finish.
You've already told me that
Stating-
you're not gonna pay it, so that's.
No, I never stated that I wasn't gonna pay the debt. I said that I would love to discharge the debt. That's what I stated, and I would rather like for things to be said on the record, what I
We're on the
stated.
record, we're on the record.
But I'm saying, you're saying that I said that I was not gonna pay the debt, and that I never stated that in this courtroom.
Well, ma'am.
Okay, here's my case. I got a summons in the mail. You guys have corrected the typo. I have the payment right here. And you just basically stated to me that I am not the one to, choose my remedy. Isn't that correct?
No, the remedies are established by the legislature of the state of Arizona. Okay, that's who fashions the remedy. That's the legislative body. They promulgate the rules and the laws of the state of Arizona, and they also fashion the remedy. That's their authority. As that branch of the government, that's absolutely correct. I am the judiciary. I do not fashion remedy. This is not, I am not established laws. That is not my authority. I am a judicial officer, and we do not fashion laws. That's not, we are a third branch of the government. That's not our job.
I understand that. But then being that all crimes are commercial under the UFR 27.section 72.11, and being that I have accepted your documentation as far as the fine of $903 and 60 cents for value, and returned it for value and discharge under Public Law 7310 48 stats 112 HJR 192 of 1933, Title 31,